Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a mini pill crusher. This is easy to clean and easy to use. This is a second generation. This will help you break down the medication that you cannot swallow. Alright, so here's the package, and inside this has the porcelain pill crusher, which is an ancient grinding tool. It is a professional solution for small dosage pill crushing. It makes your pills or medication easy to crush up. It is an ideal grinder for the elderly, your pet, dog, cat, or kids. So if those who cannot take medication, this might be an option for you to crush it up and put it in their food or their drink. So here's the instructions manual. This basically tells you how to crush up your pills. Alright, so first off, we're going to dab right in here. Here is the little bowl. It's really deep in there, so you can fit a couple pills in there if you need. It's got a little pouring spout. Then you got the little handle here. This one is actually made of porcelain. It's easy to clean. Alright, here's the handle. You have one that is more of a matte, and then the other side is a glossy. The matte is more for the breaking of the pills, where the glossy is more for your hands so it doesn't rub against your hands. You can see right here it's matte and that one is glossy. That one is more for you to hold so it's not so hard in your hand. And you just crush them up just like that. So you get the set right here to crush up all your medication. So for those who can't take pills, this is a great thing to have, especially if you need to put it in your child's food or something. You can just crush up the pills and it's ready to go. So everything in the set you get the bowl, you get the smasher, and you get the user manual. This is a really nice set right here.